Hi there, this is our Mistal cylindrical grinder, Italian made. It's got the internal grinding attachment, a wee quick release set up on the tailstock, and then all your other normal sort of features. It's not hydraulically driven, it's driven through electrics in regards to the table traverse. It's in good working order and ticks over nice and quiet. So as you'll see from the photos, you've got your coolant system down the back, wheel head. It's got your controls over here, your swivelling table obviously, etc. And your attachment for the internal goes on this side. Tailstock's got that wee quick release there. That main wheel head is nice to move in and out. And that table moves nicely as well. Alright, I'll take you through some of the features, etc. I'll start the wheel head up first. So there that is ticking over. Ticks over nicely and feels nice and smooth there. I'll start the coolant pump up. There's the coolant pump running there. It's a bit noisy. I'll start the work head here. So you've got your two buttons for your direction, so that's running anti-clockwise at the moment. You've got your change speed over here and stop. And now it's running clockwise, so that's ticking over nice and quiet. And now I've started basically the electric motor setup for your traversing. You've got your speeds over here on this lever, and your engagement for it is here. So you'll turn it clockwise to engage that clutch, and then it drives the table back and forward. So that's on speed 1 there. I'll take you through a couple of them. Sorry, 2. So that's 1 going slower, 2, 3. I didn't do that clutch tight enough. So that's running on 3 there. I think it's got 4 speeds by the look of that. And then basically we can engage the cross feed by this one here, and there's 4 adjustments for the amount of cross feed. So that's cross feeding now on the traverse, and then it's got a wee a manual inching set up here. I'd noticed that isn't working all the time, I'm not sure what's causing that. So that's the traverse, that's the cross feed. And it's all ticking over nicely. I can start the rest of it up. So that's the wheel head and now the work head both going. So I'll stop all of that. So that's about all there is to show you. The old coolant's been pretty unkind to the paintwork on it, but the machine itself's ticking over nicely, it's good quality, it runs nice and quiet.